In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the middle of a video in CapCut. Now, say for example, this is the video clip that you are doing, and we're going to go ahead and remove, say for example, the middle part. So I want you to go ahead and look for that middle part, which you want to remove. Say for example, here, I'm going to go ahead and click the video itself, and then we're going to go ahead and click split here. And then we're going to go ahead to the part or the end of the part which we want to remove. Say for example, around this part, I'm going to go ahead and tap split once again, and then we're going to go to the middle part. So this is the middle part of the clip that we have split. What we're gonna do is just tap the delete button here, and what's gonna happen is it's just going to connect the ending and the beginning of that video. You can go ahead and basically add a transition here by clicking on that over there, and say for example, we're going to go ahead and choose this one here, black fade, which is kind of common. So I'm going to go ahead and play this for you guys in order for you to see how it looks like. There you go. And that, everybody, is how you are going to remove the middle part of a video in CapCut. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.